Hey guys, Josh Huff here with Huff Racing. Welcome back to the channel. I know this is gonna look a little different than most of our videos. We're not at the track today. We're actually here with Laura Piñon, one of our earliest supporters, favorite sponsor. She did the wrap for my car. I wouldn't trust anybody else with my car. Actually placing some stickers for us today. We have had this wrap on for almost 2 years now. It's survived multiple Midwestern winters. It has hit a lot of cones and it still looks great. The wrap is great because it protects that underlying paint while I'm also able to remove it and change the color whenever I want to, which, if you know me, is a high possibility at any moment. So right now, Laura is placing the brow for the Falcon sticker that we got here at Huff Racing. We run Falcon Azeni 660s. That's our autocross tire. We love the guys at Falcon. Shout out to Tony for getting us these stickers. Love you guys and can't wait to be running this at our first event this March. If you want your car wrapped and to look as good as our car does, contact Laura at Piñon Wraps. You can reach her on Instagram or on her email, which we will have here, or you can look her up using Piñon Wraps. All right, Laura's all done. We got our Falcon logos on. We got at least 15 horsepower with this one. Super excited. The blue is just a super Falcon color. If you've ever seen any of their pro drift cars, it's just spot on. And the brow, I'm super excited about this. We've been running the tire rack because we do a lot of autocross events and that's required for nationals. But until we get back into the season, gonna rock our Falcon sticker for our friends over there. Just don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back to you again, hopefully at the track next time.